Have you ever heard that there's a planet made almost entirely of diamond? Or that on other worlds, it actually rains diamonds? The universe is filled with more strange and wonderful things than we can possibly imagine. Let's start with a little thought experiment. Go to a beach in your mind and scoop up a handful of sand. You're probably holding thousands of tiny grains. Now, try to picture all the sand on every single beach on Earth. It's an impossibly large number, isn't it? Well, there are more stars in the observable universe than that. You could give every single grain of sand on our planet its own star, and you'd still have stars left over. The number is so huge that our minds can't truly grasp it. We are simply floating in an endless ocean of suns. Speaking of suns, let's look at ours. We think of it as the big, bright center of our solar system, but that doesn't quite capture its importance. The sun is so massive that it makes up 99.86% of everything in our solar system. Imagine the solar system is a giant pizza. The sun would be the dough, the sauce, and all the cheese. Jupiter, the largest planet, would be a single pepperoni, and Earth, we wouldn't even be a speck of spice. We're all just living on the leftovers. Now, back to those diamonds. About 40 light-years from us, there's a planet called 55 Cancri e, often called the Diamond Planet. Scientists believe a huge part of it is made of crystallized carbon, the same stuff diamonds are made of. It's a world that sparkles with unimaginable riches. But you don't have to travel that far. Here in our own solar system, on planets like Saturn and Jupiter, the conditions are perfect for creating diamonds. The intense pressure in their atmospheres is so strong that it can crush particles of soot from lightning storms, squeezing them into actual diamonds. It literally rains diamonds on these giant planets. And while we're talking about Jupiter, its famous Great Red Spot isn't just a pattern. It's a single raging storm that is bigger than our entire planet. What's even crazier is that it has been churning for at least 350 years. The most powerful storms on Earth last for a few weeks. Jupiter's has been going for centuries. The universe also has its share of lonely wanderers. Astronomers have found rogue planets, which are worlds that don't orbit a star. They were likely thrown out of their original solar systems and now drift alone through the cold, dark space between stars. Finally, here's something a little closer to home. Our moon is slowly moving away from us. Every year, it gets about 1.5 inches further away. It's not going to vanish anytime soon, but it's like a quiet breakup happening in slow motion. Billions of years from now, our night sky will look very different. These facts are just a tiny glimpse of what's out there. The universe is full of wonders, from diamond rain to lonely planets, reminding us that there is always something new and amazing to discover. All we have to do is keep looking up.